In the name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus. I see May is a month that will attract money to us. Some of you will touch dollars, pounds, money from Rwanda, from Tanzania, from Kenya. I see some of you this season will be very good. This is your season beginning with May. You were worrying, but there is a way God is going to do His things. Treasures will be attracted to you.